Introducing the kitchen gadget that's about to revolutionize your cooking experience. Meet the Teflon 3X Quick Defrost Away Chopping Board, the magic kitchen gadget that does it all. Are you tired of waiting for your frozen foods to thaw? Say goodbye to microwave mishaps, electricity, or messy hot water defrosting. Our Defrosting Plate is here to change the game. With 3 times the quick defrosting power, it's the healthier, faster way to get dinner on the table in a flash. But that's not all! This 4-in-1 wonder does the work of a chopping board too. Chop your veggies, slice your fruits, or prepare your meat with ease, all on this versatile cutting board. And wait, there's more. Our board comes with a built-in knife mill and spice mill, making it your perfect kitchen companion. No need to compromise on flavor or nutrition. Our 4-in-1 board is made of food-safe materials, ensuring your food retains its original taste and nutrients. Cleaning up is a breeze too. Thanks to the non-stick surface, you can toss it in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. It's that easy. Worried about mess? Don't be. Our innovative design prevents any leaks or drips from reaching your table. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Teflon 3X Quick Defrost Away Chopping Board, the ultimate kitchen gadget. Get yours today and unlock a world of possibilities in the heart of your home. Click the link below for more information. Teflon, redefining the way you cook and eat.